One of my favorite things that we invested in last year was the smart bird feeders. So this year, let's take a look at a smart bird house. So this is a bird house where they can live, and it's solar powered. That'll run the cameras, and because it's smart, it'll let us know what kind of birds we're looking at. So there's the solar panel, connects to the house. And this is an all wood house, so it's, I think, a lot cooler than some of the plastic models that are out there. Kind of more traditional. You can already tell that it's well made. It's nice and solid. Oh wow. So taking a look, we've got 2 entrances. Okay, so there's the side part here. And there's the camera, I suppose. Some of the instructions. The bracket to mount it. And then even the hardware and the tool. So we have one latch on this side. That's nice that they're spring loaded. And this one is up top. Very cool. And that's where the camera is going to look down, I bet. Very nice. This top is painted. What a cool look. This is very modern, very sleek. You can mount it straight on the wall, it looks like, or with the mount underneath. Looks like you get a viewport over here to just look in the side. And again, it's solar powered. Really looking forward to setting this one up and seeing what kind of birds show up and live inside. I want to thank them for sending us this one. Hope this helps.